Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We're happy to have you here today.
In today's episode, we will practice daily English sentences in a simple and easy way.
Yes, you will learn how to speak English clearly and confidently.
So stay with us and practice together.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos.
Let's start learning English together.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. I feel fresh today.
That's great to hear. What are you doing right now?
I am drinking tea and relaxing. What about you?
I am sitting in my room and thinking about my day.
Are you busy today?
No, I am not very busy. I am free for some time.
That's nice. I also have some free time today.
Where are you going later?
I am going to the market in the evening.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, I need to buy some fruits and vegetables.
Can I come with you?
Yes, of course. You can come with me.
Thank you. I also need to buy a few things.
That's perfect. We can go together.
What time will you go?
I will go around 5 p.m.
Okay, I will be ready by that time.
Great. Don't be late.
Don't worry, I will be on time.
What are you doing before that?
I am reading a book and practicing English.
That's very good. Practice is important.
Yes, I want to improve my English speaking skills.
You are doing great. Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
Are you going anywhere else after the market?
No, I will come back home after shopping.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
Yes, it is a simple day.
I like simple and peaceful days.
Me too. It makes me feel relaxed.
All right, I will see you in the evening.
Yes, see you later.
Take care.
You too.
Did you eat breakfast today, Sarah?
Yes, I did. I had my breakfast early in the morning.
That's good. What did you eat?
I ate bread and eggs with a cup of tea.
That sounds really good.
Yes, it was very tasty and fresh.
Do you usually eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I try to eat breakfast daily because it is important.
That's a very good habit.
Thank you. I believe breakfast gives energy for the whole day.
Do you cook your breakfast yourself?
Yes, I cook it by myself most of the time.
That's great.
Thank you. I enjoy cooking simple meals.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking very much. It makes me happy.
What else do you like to cook?
I like to cook rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
That's nice. Your food must be very delicious.
Thank you. I try my best to cook well.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook daily, especially for my family.
That's wonderful. Cooking at home is healthy.
Yes, homemade food is always better than outside food.
I agree with you.
Also, cooking helps me relax and feel productive.
That's interesting.
Yes, it is like a hobby for me.
Do you try new recipes?
Sometimes, yes. I like to try new things on weekends.
That's exciting.
Yes, it is fun to learn new dishes.
What will you cook today?
Today, I will cook something simple like rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I prefer light and healthy food.
Do you drink tea after breakfast?
Yes, I always drink tea after breakfast.
Me too. I love tea in the morning.
It makes the morning fresh and active.
That's true.
A good breakfast makes the whole day better.
I will also start eating breakfast daily.
That's a great decision.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
Listen and repeat. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
Very good. Again, I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
Excellent. Now say, I feel fresh in the morning.
I feel fresh in the morning.
Great job. Listen and repeat. I go to work.
I go to work.
Again, I go to work on time.
I go to work on time.
Perfect. Now say, I like my work.
I like my work.
Very nice. Listen carefully. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Again, I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Good. Now say, I am learning new words.
I am learning new words.
Excellent. Listen and repeat. I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
Again, I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
Very good. Now say, I am confident when I speak English.
I am confident when I speak English.
That's great. Keep going. Listen and repeat. Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
Again, practice every day to improve.
Practice every day to improve.
Good job. Now say, I never give up.
I never give up.
Excellent. Listen and repeat. I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
Again, learning English is easy for me.
Learning English is easy for me.
Very nice. Now say, I am improving day by day.
I am improving day by day.
Perfect. Listen carefully. I listen to English podcasts.
I listen to English podcasts.
Again, I understand simple English.
I understand simple English.
Great work. Now say, I am becoming better.
I am becoming better.
Excellent. Keep practicing like this.
Thank you. I will practice every day.
That's the spirit.
Yes, I will not stop learning.
Let's try a challenge today, Sarah.
Okay, I am ready.
Great. Listen carefully and repeat the better sentence.
Yes, I will listen and repeat.
Don't say, I am tired. Say, I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Very good. Again, I feel tired after work.
I feel tired after work.
Excellent. Now listen. Don't say, I am happy. Say, I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Again, I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
Perfect. Now try this. Don't say, I am busy. Say, I am a bit busy.
I am a bit busy.
Very nice. Again, I am a bit busy right now.
I am a bit busy right now.
Great job. Now let's try more examples.
Okay, I am ready for more.
Don't say, I am hungry. Say, I feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
Again, I feel hungry in the evening.
I feel hungry in the evening.
Good. Don't say, I am sad. Say, I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Again, I feel sad sometimes.
I feel sad sometimes.
Very good. Don't say, I am excited. Say, I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Again, I feel excited about learning English.
I feel excited about learning English.
Excellent. Now a small challenge for you.
Yes, tell me.
Change this sentence. I am angry.
I feel angry.
Perfect. Now change, I am bored.
I feel bored.
Very good. You are learning fast.
Thank you. I am enjoying this practice.
That's great. Keep practicing like this every day.
Yes, I will practice daily.
Remember, small changes make your English better.
Yes, I understand.
You are doing very well.
Thank you so much.
Keep going and never stop learning.
I will not stop. I will keep improving.
Thank you for listening to our English podcast for beginners.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new.
Keep practicing English every day to improve your skills.
Yes, practice is the key to success.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends.
And subscribe to our channel for more helpful English lessons.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and keep learning.